What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 700 Statics. Now these are set to release Saturday, December 29th, which is tomorrow. Alright guys, I just want to put this in here real quick. In the video I might say that Yeezy Supply is releasing at a random time, but it is going to be 3 AM EST, so I will be streaming at 2 AM EST, so if you want to check it out, I'll put a link in the description below to my live stream. So without any further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now these things are going to have a retail value of $300, which is a little on the steep end, and because of this we're not going to be able to make as much money on resale, but there's still profit to be made. As you can see on StockX right now, the smaller sizes, also known as bay sizes, are doing fairly well, coming in around 450 to 500. But some of the more common sizes are starting to go below 400, so in my opinion I would try to stay away from those. Now my resale prediction for these is $375 all the way up to $430. Now on the lower end of the spectrum, those are going to be more common sizes, and around $430 is going to be the base sizes like we just took a look at. Now let's get into websites releasing these. So first off, we have Soulbox at 2 AM. This is going to be one of the easier releases considering we can do the multiple people jig on this. If you do not know what that is, all you have to do is go over to your Chrome, click on your profile, hit manage people, and add a new person. Just put in the Soul Link URL up here and get in the waiting room. Now after Soulbox, we have Slam Jam Socialism, which it is not confirmed, but they do have the product loaded up on their site, so we could see a drop at 3 AM EST. If it's not at 3 AM, it's going to be random throughout the day most likely. Next up we have Shop Nice Kicks at around 10 AM. I say around 10 AM because it might be 9, it might be 11, but there's no set time yet. Next up we have Yeezy Supply, which is a confirmed release. It's going to be at a random time. Next up we have Deadstock, that is going to be at a random time also. So if you're in the live stream, you'll be notified immediately whenever they release. We also have Proper and Wish, which are both unconfirmed, but the product is loaded up on their site. And there's not very many sites getting these, which will increase resale value by a lot. So I think your best bet will be Yeezy Supply. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. Just keep in mind, I will go live at 9 AM EST tomorrow to answer all you guys' questions and help you guys cop. So if you guys did enjoy, please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more, and I will see you guys all later.